Whoop, whoop.
All on board.
Look at the progress we've made. Tyler has taken all the seats successfully out, except the back ones. They stubbornly want to stay with us.
We can tell this guy to cut them out if you want them out, babe. Do you want them out?
Yeah, babe, we need space in here.
Take
We
the
don't
back
need those
seats out.
chairs.
Alright, we'll take the back seats out. I'm going along, singing my song with Gloria. She has a bomb. Here we go.
On a stroll
With the flow.
of the umbrella's glow.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Hydraulic lift removed.
It's not there anymore.
I just couldn't do it myself, so I paid
The chairs aren't there anymore either.
Blake's fixing the truck. Get a close up. Go in there. Up to the left. There's no more bar there. See that?
Whoa.
Cool, huh?
There isn't. Are you guys trying to get these poles for your...
No, we're just taking them out. This one right here has to come out. Nice.
I told you should probably take this one out too.
Yeah, let's take that one out. Hit that one with the screwdriver. Oh, damn, Danny. That was pretty close, my boy. Pull outside.
Why don't you put these in the garage like stripper poles?
Yeah. All the bolts can go in one of those black.
Yeah.
I want to keep that one. If you let it sit, it'll rip the paint off. Yeah, it'll take your bus up. That's a lot stronger. You can tell, huh? Yeah? Yeah. Be careful with that stuff. It might go through your paint. Fuck, take the stickers off. That'll help. You don't need too much of that shit. Strong, huh? Get you high.
I know, get it right here.
Spin it all the way around that wheel.
Use a towel, babe.
Our wheel's gonna look brand new again. Might take that.
Get it.
Are you making a video?
Yes, I'm making a video, Sandy.
Okay.
Sandy loves videos, I've noticed.
I like talking to people.
So there you go.
I know it's barely on me, but that's okay.
Kick trick, mate.
What do you mean it's barely on you? It's right on you.
Straight kick leg. Why would you call your brother that?
That's his name.
That's your brother.
That's his name.
No.
Blake,
See?
what's
His name is Blake.
I used to be Gook Eyes.
Gook guys?
Blake used to call me Gook Eyes.
You were?
You did, Blake?
Yeah, he looks like a Chinese. He's Gukai.
Yeah.
And Mom used to condone that, didn't she?
I didn't condone it.
You allowed Blake to call me
kicked
Gook
you
Eyes.
out. You got my...
And Blackhead. He also called me Blackhead because I was the only one with black hair.
Aw, my baby.
I never ever in my life
Okay.
Now I have no hair.
blackhead.
That has no
You are
hair.